A father home from the war surprises his little girl at school.
And only we were there to capture the moment that she set her eyes on her father. News's Stephanie Stone is live with the story for us tonight. Steph?
There was not a dry eye in the 5th grade classroom here at Cheviot Elementary. And let me tell you guys, this was a pretty special event. It took a lot of top secret kind of planning.
It's all right. It's okay. I'm home now.
For 11-year-old Kayla Proctor, it was class as usual until her dad walked in the room in uniform. Yes. It's been 18 months since he left for Afghanistan.
I wanted to do something special for her, you know, and actually let her see me here in my uniform and stuff. And I think it's a big morale booster for her and also her classmates, too.
They've kept up on Facebook, but this past year hasn't been easy for Kayla.
I feel really happy because me and my other sister in Bowling Green have been missing him, and I'm kind of a shock now.
Before she got the surprise of her life,
Any other?
the Cheviot Elementary 5th graders were learning citizenship. Little did Kayla know her principal, teachers, and support staff were planning, down to every last detail, like bringing Dad around the back of the school and up a back stairway.
Yeah, that's really special.
And it's special for Dad, too. This surprise kicked off his retirement after 19 years in the Army.
It's all worth it, you know, once you get here.
And here's the best part about Kayla's dad. Since he's retiring, that means he's not going back. So he plans to spend the next year of his life transitioning back into civilian and, well, his daughter's life. We're live in Cheviot. Stephanie Stone, News 5.
Hi, Emmett. Come on. Let's go outside. I think he knows. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Emmett, come! Emmett! Do you not recognize me?
Oh. Aww. He's very excited.
How you doing?
I think he remembers you.
How you doing?
Oh.
You look great. And we're done. Oh, your coat. And we're done.
Just in time for Mom, we'll show you what made this Mother's Day surprise one to remember. A planned military tribute for one Toledo family turns into a huge surprise. Good evening, I'm Laura Emerson.
And I'm Sean Hagerty. The Myers family thought they were being honored tonight at the Mud Hens game, but a special loved one surprised them. Fox Toledo's Shreya Davis is live to tell us how it all went down.
Greg and Beth Myers thought today was simply Military Day at the ballpark. They thought hundreds were going to honor their son Joseph for fighting overseas, but Marine Sergeant Joseph Myers decided to honor his parents instead. Before tonight's game, the Myers family had no idea their son Joseph was right behind them.
At first, I kind of held back a little bit and thought, is this real? Is this real? And then I could just tell by the way he was standing, it was really him. What a surprise, what a shock, and this is the best Mother's Day present that I could have ever gotten. After being stationed in Afghanistan for nearly a year, Sergeant Joseph Myers made plans to be with his family on Mother's Day, but he and a friend thought it would be even better to surprise his family in a fake Military Day celebration.
When I turned around and seen him, my heart just about dropped. It was like, wow.
That was probably the best thing that a father could ever get, is to turn around and look and see your son standing there.
Sergeant Myers says he's been away for 9 months, and seeing his family for the first time since then makes him realize how grateful he is. But he says he's no hero. Other Marines who've lost their lives overseas are.
Being a hero it's a job to me. I do my job and I do it well. The heroes are the ones, like I said, that didn't come home.
Sergeant Myers will be home for the next 26 days, and he says he's going to enjoy every single moment with family and friends. Reporting live, Sharia Davis, Fox Toledo News.
Been on deployment for the past 60 days. I'm pulling around the corner to my wife is with her family. It's Father's Day today. She thinks I'm coming home in 2 days. I'm here now, so I'm going to surprise her, and she's not up front, which is good. It makes it easier for me to actually surprise her, and I wanted to record it as best as possible. So I just pulled up now. Let's see what she says. The garage is open, so I'm just gonna walk on in. Hi, Nicholas. Yeah, I'm here. Good to see you. Hi, Dad.
Did you all know?
I only do today. It's good to see you guys.
Daddy, Yeah. Oh, gotcha. You're free. That's why I thought you had to be I'm so mad at you.
Mrs. Mendes, how are you? I know, see you. My mom, you know, she sends me shopping everywhere. It's like last minute stuff.
You forgot nothing? Forgot everything?
Okay.
No, no. Nice to see. Nothing? Forgot everything? Okay. Nice to see.
Oh my. You gotta be kidding me.
No!
Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
No!
Surprise.
Surprise!
Surprise.
Keep us all.
I got back like a week and a half.
Where's Mike?
It's everybody's fault.
Mrs. Mendez.
This is all thanks to them.
What are your thoughts, Mrs. Mendez?
Yo los voy a matar a ustedes porque no me dicen la verdad.
I don't know when they found out, but yeah, I've been talking to you this whole time from here. Well, not from here, but from North Carolina. A week and a half, June 1st. We got back.
Yay!
Welcome back, Marie.
Welcome back, Steve.
Skinny? That's not what I was going for.
Oh my God.
I just broke into my house.
Why are you home?
How you doing?
I got it.
Hey, how are you?
Too funny, my children. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Who's coming down the stairs?
Wait, come here, Angel. What's that? Oh, look at him. Daddy!
You get that?
Who's that? Go get him.
Daddy!
No, not you. Not your daddy.
Go get him!
Your daddy. Okay.
Go say hi to Daddy, Jimmy. Go see Daddy.
Nee, ich sag's zuerst. Und dann fangt ihr an.
Nee, weil erst sag ich den Cheer und Dingi und dann...
Nee, lass Tania jetzt erstmal den Cheer sagen.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, hold on. Alright. Who rocks the house?
Who rocks the house?
Not you!
Tony! Come here! Lay down.
We got nothing. We got everything. Okay. Nothing. We got everything. Okay. Nice. Oh my. You gotta be kidding me. No.
Oh my god.
You gotta be kidding me. No.
Surprise.
Una, dos, tres.
Surprise!
Surprise.
¿Qué pasó?
I got back like a week and a half.
I'm not fucking going. Oh, shut You're free. That's why I thought you had to be
Mrs. Mendes, how are you? I know
My mom, you know, she sends me shopping everywhere. It's like last minute stuff.
You forgot nothing? Forgot everything?
Okay.
No. Nice. Nothing? Forgot everything?
Okay.
Nice.
Oh my. You gotta be kidding me.
No!
Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
No!
Surprise.
Surprise!
Surprise!
Keep us all.
I got back like a week and a half.
Where's Mike?
Ahora sí, el whisky, por favor.
Mrs. Mendez. This is all thanks to them. What are your thoughts, Mrs. Mendez?
Yo los voy a matar a ustedes. Yo los voy a matar a ustedes porque no me dicen la verdad.
I don't know when they found out, but yeah, I've been talking to you this whole time from here. Well, not from here, but from North Carolina. A week and a half, June 1st, we got back. Yay! Welcome back, Marie. Welcome back, Steve.
And friends, reporting live, Sharia Davis, Fox Toledo News.
Been on deployment for the past 60 days. I'm pulling around the corner to my wife is with her family. It's Father's Day today. She thinks I'm coming home in 2 days. I'm here now, so I'm going to surprise her, and she's not up front, which is good. It makes it easier for me to actually surprise her, and I wanted to record it as best as possible. So I just pulled up now. Let's see what she says. The garage is open, so I'm just gonna walk on in. Hi, Nicholas. Yeah, I'm here. Good to see you. Hi, Dad. Did you all know? I only do today. It's good to see you guys. Daddy. You are
Walking first. Am I going to interrupt? No, I'm going to go in and I'm going to just say, just see how the videotape is there. To get our kids to look at it. Okay? Am I going to interrupt? No, I'm going to go in and I'm going to just say, I'm not letting go.